Now, if you want to get more women than you can handle, this is what you have to understand. The game is all about perception. For example, a man can be wealthy, yet still poor. See, it's all about how others see him. A woman will never look at you as a high-value man if you don't know how to project one. And that's precisely what this video will teach you. 9 mind hacks that will make any woman want you badly. No. 1. Dressing like a boss. Dressing well is something every man needs to learn. It doesn't matter who you are, how much money you make, or where you live. Knowing how to dress well will always make you stand out from the crowd. You might think that women care more about how much money you make or how muscular you are. While these things help, they aren't nearly as important as you think. Studies show that women care about how a man dresses far more than most men realize. What you need to understand is that clothing has a massive impact on how people perceive you. When you wear a nice suit, for example, it tells everyone around you that you take pride in your appearance and you're someone who pays attention to detail. This creates an immediate impression of competence and success. On the other hand, if you show up wearing a stained shirt or dirty shoes, no matter how much money you make, you'll come across as sloppy and unsuccessful. So here are 5 simple tips to dressing like a boss so you can instantly command respect and attraction from women. 1. Focus on fit. This is by far the most important aspect of dressing well. No matter what you wear, if it doesn't fit, you're gonna look bad. Make sure your clothes are tailored to your body type so they look sharp and sophisticated. 2. Choose high-quality materials. Cheap-looking fabrics will make you look cheap. Stick to natural fibers like cotton, linen, and hemp. 3. Don't overdo it with logos and branding. Too many logos make you look like you're trying too hard to be something you're not. 4. Accessorize. A nice watch or a stylish belt can really pull your outfit together. 5. Choose the right footwear. Your shoes are one of the first things people notice about you. Make sure they're clean and polished. 2. Walk with purpose. Women love a man with purpose. It shows drive, ambition, and leadership skills. So when you walk, do it with intention. Don't slouch or shuffle. Instead, stand tall and walk with your head held high. This doesn't mean you have to be stiff and robotic. Just relax into your walk and enjoy the journey. It'll make you appear calm, confident, and grounded. 3. Control the conversation. Now, there's nothing women love more than a man who can lead the conversation. It shows that you're not only confident, but also have interesting things to say. To do this, you need to be aware of what you're talking about and ask engaging questions. This will keep the conversation flowing and make your date feel like they're part of something special. However, it's crucial not to dominate the conversation. Ask questions and listen actively to what she has to say. Remember, it's not about you, it's about both of you. By controlling the conversation, you create a dynamic where you're not just a passive listener, but an active participant who brings value to the table. 4. Speak less, smile more. As mentioned before, women love a man who can lead the conversation, but you don't necessarily have to talk a lot to do that. In fact, research shows that women find men who speak less attractive. Why? Because it creates a sense of mystery and intrigue. People are naturally curious about those who don't reveal everything about themselves. So next time you're on a date, try speaking less and smiling more. Not only will you come across as more attractive, but you'll also appear confident and mysterious. 5. Eye contact. Maintaining eye contact is essential for building trust and connection. When you lock eyes with someone, it creates a sense of intimacy and mutual understanding. However, it's crucial to strike the right balance. Avoid staring intensely as it can make people uncomfortable. Instead, maintain a natural and relaxed gaze. Look into her eyes during the conversation, but also steal glances away when appropriate. This will convey confidence without being overwhelming. Eye contact is a silent language that speaks volumes about your character. Use it wisely and watch as women are drawn to your magnetic presence. 6. Be comfortable in your own skin. Confidence is key when it comes to attracting women. And what better way to exude confidence than by being comfortable in your own skin? This means embracing your unique qualities, both physical and personality traits. Instead of trying to conform to societal standards or comparing yourself to others, focus on what makes you stand out, be it your sense of humor, style, or perspective on life. Embrace it fully. When you're comfortable with who you are, it radiates from your body language and demeanor, making women irresistibly drawn to you. So let your freak flag fly high. Women dig a man who isn't afraid to be himself. 7. Use open body language. Closed body language can make you appear unapproachable and uninterested, which can be a turn-off for women. Instead, use open body language to convey warmth and availability. This means keeping your arms uncrossed, maintaining a relaxed posture, and using gestures to emphasize your points. Open body language makes you appear more confident and charismatic, two traits that women find highly desirable in men. It signals that you're approachable and interested in engaging with them, creating a welcoming atmosphere that puts them at ease. 8. Be genuinely interested in her. This one is often overlooked, but it's crucial. Women love when men show genuine interest in them. It shows that you care about more than just physical attraction. Ask about her interests, hobbies, and dreams. Listen attentively and engage in conversations that go beyond surface-level small talk. Showing a sincere interest in her as an individual will create a deep connection and make her feel cherished. This approach sets you apart from the crowd and makes her feel truly valued. 9. Tease her a little. Now, this one can be tricky, so pay close attention. Women love a man who can make them laugh. Humor is an excellent way to break the ice and create a fun, relaxed atmosphere on a date. However, it's essential not to go overboard with the jokes. You don't want to come across as if you're trying too hard. Keep it light-hearted and playful. Tease her gently and be prepared to laugh at your own jokes. If you can make her smile, you're off to a great start. Just remember, timing and delivery are everything. In conclusion, these 9 mind hacks are your secret weapons to becoming a dangerously confident man. By mastering these techniques, you'll unlock the ability to attract and captivate any woman. But remember, true confidence comes from within. These hacks are merely tools to help you project that confidence to the world. So embrace your unique qualities, be authentic, and let your inner badass shine through. With these skills in your arsenal, you'll be unstoppable. Don't wait any longer. Start today and watch as your life transforms.